It is nice summer day in Finland. Hello everyone, and in this episode I'm going to cover how I'm going to install my solar panels on the roof. Most of all, I will show you step by step how I will make my electrical system on my backside of the van, and what you need to connect first, second, and how to wire them, and where you need to use fuses and the power switch. And I'm going to chapter them down in my description, so you can just skip one chapter that you have already done, or you just need to find specific spot that you need to do yourself. And let's get into the video. By the way, not yet, but soon. 2 days ago we had plus 15 Celsius of degree, but as you can see, we live in Finland. Weather can change drastically overnight. Now we have like 10 centimeters of snow. Then we need a ladder. I did cut the list and paint it to black. Then I drill a few holes like here, 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 like 5 on each side, and it will hold the solar panel on the place. I want 12-volt system, so basically I need to connect that one as minus and this one minus to same connector, and same way the plus side. And next I need to connect minus and plus to same wires, like each panel's minus are here and each panel plus are here, and then I last connect those at the main cable that will charge the battery. And first I'm going to connect my minus side from the battery to the inverter, and then I'm just going to add plus cable to this fuse here, and after that we have connected it into the fuse, we are going to connect it to the battery, and then next thing we do is going to connect the battery to this controller, and then we are going to add the solars here. Let's do that. This is the length that I want my minus cable to be. I'm going to cut it. This side go straight to inverter, so I want to open it a little bit, like maybe 10 millimeters. Then I'm going to use thin and just cover all sides it, so it will not break on some point. I already did install charge control, inverter and my battery, and now I'm going to connect this. Yeah, not so beautiful, but anyways, it's perfect for me. We want always remember we need to connect from the inverter to battery and battery to the charger, and then we just want to connect solars to charger. That way we don't burn anything. When you connect your fuse, remember to put everything on the other side, because when you close the fuse and the cable. Cannot move it. Next I'm going to connect this plus cable on my charge controller like this. Oh no, I might have lost some. Next we are going to use sealing glue on this plastic part. Oi oi. Oi oi. This is not so easy to use. Line. If it's possible with this glue can. Like this. And yeah, we can just check this. As we can see, we get the power and it works. That's perfect. Every time you do something with solars, remember, first connect your battery to your smart controller, and after that just connect solar power and minus. Yeah, because if you first connect your solar to this smart connector, it will fry and you just lose 400 euros, and you don't want that. Not nice. Some eagle is screaming somewhere. Can we spot it? Nope. Now it's silent. Where did it go?